The skidder, yeah, yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, run all this past your attorney. And, there's a couple things that catch my attention right away. Is number one is
This
how they're
guy's
going about
hogging
this.
all the food.
There was no investigation, there was no written sheet giving your version of what the events. There was no investigation done. So baloney. They're trying to scare you into paying that money. So there are things that you can do. The California Insurance Commission. That's what it's all about. Is you pitch a fit and you make it. In writing. I am lodging a formal complaint, and they may take a look at this insurance company.
I put that there for the birds and the
There's a
squirrels
lot of
being
insurance
hogged.
fraud going on, and this to me is fraudulent.
The
What they're
squirrel
doing to you.
doesn't care. He's too hungry.
Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly it. That's exactly it. And every one of us at one time or another has
This
been
is
up
what I
against
do
some sort of insurance fraudulent
when I'm healing.
attempt. And you have the right to protect yourself, Frankie. And by God,
I was
if you don't
cut
get
right
your shit
there
together, I'm
in the
gonna come
wrist.
out there and whip your butt.
Yeah, big long one there in my elbow.
Just
We're doing pretty good though. The drugs are excellent. I'm moving my fingers. Nerve relocation.
Why would that be a problem?
They already feel better. They don't go numb on me at all. So I know the surgery worked. The doctor said that the nerve in my elbow was as flat as a flounder. Quote. So
I know, but
we sit here and feed the birds. Corn and nuts for the squirrels and corn for the squirrels.
What? Hang on, one second.
Mary needs to light another cigarette.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to cough in your ear.